Hello and welcome. In today's video we will cover the part where we will see each player respectively pick up the orbs and hopefully grow. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off by disabling the snake movement in the prefab and opening up the online sync script. So on the void start I would like to say if photon view that is mine, I want to enable the game object that get component snake movement that enabled equals true. So the other player can't access the other player's script. So we had the issue where we had a camera following both snakes, and this will get rid of the issue since other players will have that script enabled, and I will have that only script enabled for my snake, which is exactly what we want. The next thing we want to do is in our snake movement, we will go ahead and we're going to comment out the on collision, so nothing happens here, and we're going to create a new script for our snake which we'll call collision network script. Create a net. We're doing this in C#, of course. Wait for it to compile and open it up. So we want to do the exactly same thing we did in the previous, but we will handle this for every snake as well. It needs to have an I will explain everything much more further. We're going to go ahead and let's say public transform body object. If you want, you can copy and paste it. I will write it. Void on collision. Enter collision other. Okay. Now we want to say if other.transform.tag equals orb. Everything's the same old same old. Now we want to say destroy other game object, of course, and here what we're going to do is if photon view with the lowercase photon view that is mine, we need to inherit the photon mono behavior, so just say photon in front of mono, and if this is our player, if photon view is ours, we want to say and call a method which will do the same to all of the snakes, the code we had here previously. If you can see I lost it, we will edit later. Photon view with a lowercase photon, RPC. We're going to be calling a new method. We will say add this snake new body part. Yeah, it's kind of long, doesn't matter, we will copy it. We're just gonna go ahead and say photon targets all buffered. I'm sure you know that what is, we mentioned that. Game object.transform.name. Now we changed our snake name because we actually needed to distinguish the names of the players, and we will do that by snakes. So thankfully we changed our names here. We'll do it here, and the snake name, we know each snake respectively which one is it, and we will just go ahead and copy and paste this. Actually, let's go ahead and cut. Since we removed it from the script, we'll just add it to the collision script because it will be ran on each and every one. Just paste it here. It should work the same. Okay. So if photon view is ours, we want to call this method. We're going to go ahead and say in the square brackets upon RPC void and paste the method we're calling. we're accepting a string of the game object. I'll just say it's go. Okay, so first what we want to is find the player we want to add the body part to. So that's going to be transform wanted player equals game object dot find go dot toString. So there is no mistake. Actually, go to string, close the parentheses, transform, since it's a transform. Okay, here we are going to do the same thing. I will just copy and paste this from the snake movement. Where is it on collision? I'll just say this part. Let's go ahead and delete this. We don't need this comment and stuff. Okay, so we're just going to say if it's 0, we want to change the wanted player position. We want to get that position. F D that's all okay. And we want to change the wanted player, the get component, snake movement. Actually, no, excuse me. We want to change the new body parts head object, which we'll do later. So we go new body part, that get component, body, snake body, that head equals wanted player. So let's go into our snake body methods. Where is it? I'm gonna go snake. Where is it? Snake body. We have to modify that. Okay, since our snake head on the start is looking for the main player, we're going to switch that off, and we're going to assign a snake head when we hit the orb, which we're doing here. We just need to change the private to public, and it should green now. It works well, and we're just gonna go ahead and say here wanted body, wanted player, the get component, snake movement, the body parts, add that stuff. And we want to do exactly the same thing down here, so we're just gonna copy and paste this and change here the wanted player. We'll just copy and paste this since I'm lazy. Okay, body parts is since yes. Okay, we will need to do it exactly the same here. Snake movement here. Copy and paste it here. We need to get the reference from that script. And actually, I made a mistake. I just realized now. Go to your snake head and enable the script by default. Would you get errors? Equals. If it checks if it's true or false. Networking is hard. We're gonna have a lot of errors. It took me a while to figure this out, so bear with me. Okay, multi-object editing not supported. I don't know what is it giving me the. Okay, so we can delete this part. And since I made a mistake, we will go ahead and enable the snake movement script, and we're going to modify it. Hopefully this is going to show the view we need now. anytime, Unity. Okay, it's not, I don't know why it should work. Anyways, in our snake movement, we're just going to change up the few things. We're gonna say if photon view that is mine. We want to execute these lines of code. If photon view that is mine, we want to execute these lines of code as well. This will also get rid of our camera issue. And that should be it. I will go ahead and put a couple of actually orbs in the scene. We have the orb prefabs. I'm going to scene, that out a little bit. Okay. If I hit play, let's see what happens actually. So the collision has not been assigned. You need to assign a body. Yes, we forgot to do that. Snake head. We need to go into our snake body. We want to save the data sent over the network, so we're not PhotonNetwork instantiating the every body part, since there's going to be millions of those. We want to recycle them, and each and every people's machine will know when the player has picked up an orb. He will grow, and I will build this on my computer right now, and I will show you in a moment. Okay, so welcome back. These are my builds. Let's go ahead and hit play. And hit play, and quickly on this one. And if we grow, you can see something's not actually right. The wrong body part. Actually, both of them are getting the body parts, which is not right, and we will have to fix that in another video. But something is working. Until next time, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.